a WikiVidi Documentaries production. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy. Shaggy defense. A shaggy defense is the legal strategy in which the defendant flatly denies guilt despite overwhelming evidence against them, particularly a recording of them committing the act, just by denying that they were the one witnessed or recorded committing the act. A key element of the defense is the refusal to engage with or try to refute the evidence against the defendant, instead choosing to just deny that they were the one who committed the act. The strategy's name is derived from reggae musician Shaggy's 2000 single, "It Wasn't Me," which is based around the concept. It was coined by Slate writer Josh Levin in 2008 to describe the defense used by singer R. Kelly while he was on trial for child pornography charges. Origin: "It Wasn't Me" by reggae musician Shaggy was released in September 2000 as the first single from his fifth album Hot Shot, eventually reaching on the Billboard Hot 100. The lyrics of the song depict one man asking his friend what to do after his girlfriend catches him having sex with another woman. His friend's advice is to deny everything, despite clear evidence to the contrary, with the phrase, "It wasn't me." As the narrator describes all the evidence his girlfriend has against him, from a video recording to witnessing the cheating herself, his friend adamantly repeats, "It wasn't me." Ultimately, the narrator says that the advice makes no sense at all. On February 3, 2002, a video surfaced allegedly showing popular R&B musician R. Kelly statutorily raping and urinating on an underage girl. The story, which was released by an unknown source, was sent to the Chicago Sun-Times, the newspaper that broke the story on February 8, 2002. This news surfaced as Kelly was to perform at the opening ceremony of the 2002 Winter Olympics. In interviews with MAC Television of Chicago and MTV News, Kelly said that he was not the man in the video. In June 2002, Kelly was indicted in Chicago on 21 counts of child pornography. That same month, Kelly was apprehended by Miami Police Department on a Chicago arrest warrant. The case earned media attention, and Kelly's insistence that he wasn't the man on the video as his only line of defense earned mockery. As comedian Chris Rock commented on the case during his 2004 stand-up special Never Scared, "What the fuck is wrong with R. Kelly? He's got a lot of balls, okay? Talking about it ain't me. Got a damn sex tape out, it ain't me. Motherfucker, we know what you look like." When the case went to trial in 2007, Kelly based his defense on denying that it was him in the video, which led Slate writer Josh Levin to coin the term the Shaggy defense. In reference to the song to describe Kelly's strategy, "I predict that in the decades to come, law schools will teach this as the Shaggy defense. You allege that I was caught on camera, butt naked, banging on the log cabin floor? It wasn't me." Levin repeated the term on NPR. Ultimately, Kelly was found not guilty on all charges. Why was Kelly acquitted? Quoting the Slate article by Josh Levin of June 13, 2008, as Kelly's lawyers mentioned multiple times, the alleged victim in this case, now a 23-year-old woman, told a grand jury that it wasn't her, while 15 friends and relatives testified that the girl in question was indeed on the video. Neither the alleged victim nor her parents showed up in court to testify for either side. The prosecution witness Lisa Van Allen was easily impeached as a witness due to her clearly sordid history with R. Kelly, others, and even soliciting a bribe from an investigator in the case. As one juror told the Chicago Tribune, "At some point we said there was a lack of evidence." Use. While the term remains most commonly associated with the R. Kelly trial, it has been subsequently used to describe any case where the defendant simply denies guilt in the face of overwhelming evidence. For example, in the 2010 Virginia court case Preston v. Morton, in which an allegation against a driver accused of striking a man with a tractor-trailer while he was installing traffic lights was refuted by the defendant claiming that he wasn't the one driving the truck in question. U.S. District Judge Jackson Kaiser specifically cited the alleged driver as using the Shaggy defense in his written judgment. Writing about the case, Josh Levin noted the endurance of the term he coined, the Shaggy defense, like the jury system and the principle of habeas corpus, is one of the pillars underpinning American jurisprudence. Additionally, in 2010, Chris Hayes accused BP of using the Shaggy defense over their refusal to accept responsibility for the Deepwater Horizon oil spill. In 2013, The Atlantic accused the United States Department of Justice of using the Shaggy defense in regards to their refusal to respond to a lawsuit filed against them by the American Civil Liberties Union over the CIA's use of unmanned drones in warfare, by claiming that the program is a state secret, even though it has been acknowledged and even defended multiple times by the Obama administration. The strategy was referenced by Trevor Noah on an episode of The Daily Show with Trevor Noah, when he covered the 2016 vice presidential debate between Mike Pence and Tim Kaine, as Pence vehemently kept denying widely publicized claims made by his running mate Donald Trump. Brought to you by WikiVidi Documentaries. Would you like to know more?